Alright, what is up YouTube? Today we're back with another video. Today we're doing quads, glutes. I think that's what we're gonna do today. Quads 4Ks, glute 4Ks. The reason why I started with glute first is because I tend to forget doing glutes every time I'm doing legs, session. So I wanna, do it first and get out of my way so I don't have to, worry about it or having a hard time to do it, because when I say I'm gonna do glutes, I always forget because, it's one of the muscles people don't really care about, I'm not talking about a women, I'm talking about a man, us as men, we tend to ignore it because, I don't know, some people, they think that it's a shame to train their glutes. Bro, it's part of your body, you know what I'm saying? So it's a fucking nice body part. I would say so. You don't want to be working around with a flat ass like a pancake, you know what I'm saying? So even if you're a man, I get it. Some people would think that, oh yeah, if you train your glutes, people that think that you're gay, bro, you're not gay. You know what I'm saying? You're not gay. I mean, you don't want your glutes to be flat like a pancake, you know what I'm saying? So it's fucking weird, bro. Even if you're a man, train your glutes, bro. Train your glutes. I promise you, your girlfriend, your wife, you love it. That's one of the body part that they love too. They like to see the man with a nice glove, because not only you like to smack them, but when you have a nice glove, you're walking past by, they would slap the shit out of you. You know what I'm saying? They would smack you a bit. But for men, they might say, okay, if you have a nice glow, you're gonna be attractive to men. Bro, come on, man. Come on, dude. You can be attractive. You can be attractive to your girlfriend, to your wife. You know what I'm saying? Having a nice glute, it's a must. And not only that, a lot of time, like, people don't really pay attention to that. When you squat, you use a lot of your glutes. Depend where you put the bar on your back, you might target a lot of your glutes. You know what I'm saying? So having a strong glutes is really important. Not only that, it will help you with your lifting. Whether you're doing sumo squat, whether you're doing, traditional squat, whether you're doing deadlifting, whatever you're doing, your glutes play a major role on your lifting. So train your glutes, get that shit big. Oh fuck. So just like I was gonna say, for every machine it might be different. The setup might be different. It's like this one, it's a little bit different than the other one that we have here. So make sure that you set yourself properly. You know, if you use some strap, just like this one, oh fuck, this thing is whipping off. So the owner needs to get another one. So it's it's like getting into your car. You know, you have to put your seatbelt, all that kind of stuff. So this is the same thing as this one. So you got to make sure that you tying yourself up, having a nice space between your leg. You don't want your legs to be too high and too low. Too high is not good. Too low is not good. Trying to get right here in the middle where you can have a L shape with your leg. You can have a L shape as bring your glutes up to the ceiling. So make sure that you have a L shape. If your leg is too far away from your if your leg is too far away from your hamstring, and it's not good, trying to get it close to 90 degrees where you can have a comfortability and be able to, train your glutes properly. So, okay, right here. Oh, so, all right, so one thing that you see me doing when I go down, I don't drop my glutes, I really control the eccentric because as you go down, you still have the engagement on your glutes. So you have to prioritize that because you don't want to go super fast and you don't really control the weight because it's all about technique. So when you go down, you still have the engagement on your glutes. And when you go all the way down, you lose the contraction, right? You lose that. As you come up, make sure that your chin, you don't, you know what I'm saying? You don't pull your head to the back like this. You keep your chin close to your clavicle. So like this, you keep it close to your clavicle so you can still have that engagement on your glutes. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. I'm not a morning person, so today I woke up like 5 in the morning, and I usually wake up at 8:30. The latest is 9, but I'm not used to this. I'm not used to 5 o'clock. I still have the energy, but it's kind of in the middle. It's not too high, not too low, but we're pushing through it. So again, just like I said, second exercise is a leg press. I did 2 sets already with two plates of 45. So now we're doing 3 plates. Probably gonna do like 4 sets. I'm not too energized today, so I don't think I'm gonna stick around for too long. Just gonna do like 3 more sets because I already did one hard set with 3 plates. I'm gonna do probably 3 or 2 more, and that should be it. I'm gonna add another plate. We're going 4 plate. I think we're gonna stick with 4 or 5 plates. That's it. Again, I'm working on a front quads. So I put my feet a little bit lower than usual. Put it a little bit lower so I can target, the front quads. Oh yes. All right, so this is the last set. Last set, 5 plates, both sides. Probably gonna do 8 or 10. I don't know. Whatever I can do, I'll do it. But I'm not gonna waste myself because I don't have the knee sleeve, so I'm just gonna take it easy. But let's go. Oh, shit. Ah, ah, ah. So, nah. Come on, 5, explode. Let's go. Yes. Ah, yeah. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. All right, guys. So this is the. All right. All right, guys. So this is the third exercise. This is gonna be the last. We do the leg extensions. Again, just like I said, today was today was quads focus, so we gotta make sure that we keep our promising and do the best that we can. So again, just like I said, leg extensions. I'm not gonna say so long. I started with 100 pounds. Just gonna do some more sets, and then we're gonna bump it up to 205. I think that's the heaviest I can go for now. So four, 5, 6. Oh yes. All right, guys. So that's it. Come on, focus. Fuck. All right, guys. So that's it for the workout session. It was a good leg day, to be honest with you. Even if I was down on energy, I was a little bit tired, but we got through it. We made it happen. So again, thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, just make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and you know to help more people see the video and support me. So that's the only way I can ask you guys for help. So see you guys for another video. Come on.